Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Veracity. This coin has potential to produce very big profits in the coming few days, and I'm expecting up to 500%, but it can even produce more than that, and I'll tell you why. And this is the chart that I shared for my members at the Patreon, that the Veracity has completed a very big bullish bad pattern. And let me show you this chart, and I also shared in my previous video with you guys as well, when the price action just entered in the potential reversal zone or the buying zone of this big bullish bad pattern. And I'm just going to play this chart, and now you can see at that time the price line was just entered in the buying zone and moved above the buying zone. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that now the price line has completely entered in the buying zone. And in this article that I shared for my members, I told them then that we have a very strong support of 50 simple moving average, and the buying zone is too wide because this is a long-term chart. Therefore, I suggested to use the 50 simple moving average to minimize the loss or risk ratio. And you can see that the price action, when the price line moved down here, after playing the chart, we have already seen that the price action here tested the 50 simple moving average and moved up, and still it is moving in the buying zone. And as per the Fibonacci sequence, the buying range of this bullish bat on the weekly time frame chart, you can see it has formed on the weekly time frame chart, starts from 1.2 cents, and maximum extent it goes to 0.0067. So this is too wide, therefore we can also use the 50 weekly as a risk stop loss. And the sell targets start from 2.55 cents and goes up to 4.4 cents. Now if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, live weekly time frame chart, then here we can see that the price line is being accumulated above the 50 simple moving average. At the same time, if we watch the Bitcoin chart, this is the BTC weekly time frame chart, then same as like as a VRA coin, the Bitcoin is also being accumulated above the 50 weekly simple moving average. And now I want to show you the different oscillators. For example, here I have placed the stochastic. Weekly stochastic has entered in the oversold zone, and previously when it was entered the oversold zone and received the buying signal, like this blue line crossed up this red line, that was the buying signal by the stochastic weekly. Once we will receive such signal, and the MACD indicator will give us the buying signal, like previously it gave the buying signal here. Let me make it more visible for you guys. You can see it was strong bearish, turned weak bearish, and the price action turned really very strong bullish. We had a very big rally after that. Same as like that, the stochastic has entered the oversold zone, and the MACD is still very strong bearish. We are receiving very strong sell signals so far by the MACD indicator. So we should wait for the bull cross of the stochastic and the buying signal by the MACD, and at the same time, if the price line will be moving in this buying zone, and I'm expecting that the price line will be still moving in the buying zone, at that time we can place our buying orders. However, if we buy it here and set a risk stop loss, the 50 simple moving average, that will be also better. It can give us better buying. Maybe when we will receive the bullish signal, the price action will be moved a little bit up and we will need to buy at a high price. However, for the safer side, we should wait for the signals to turn bullish. And while the price action is moving in this buying zone of this huge bullish bad pattern on the weekly time frame chart, if we take a look at the daily time frame, the price line has formed this falling wedge pattern that is considered as a bullish reversal pattern among the traders community. And we can see that we had at the support, we had touch here, another touch here, another touch here. Then the price action touched several times here at the resistance and here as well, and you can see that again it is moving at the resistance of this falling wedge, not moving down to the support of the falling wedge again. So it is possible that the price action will break out, because if you count the touches at the support and the resistance, then we have more touches at the resistance than the support. And the more the price action will test the resistance, the more there will be chances that the price action will break out the resistance. So we can wait for the breakout, and after this breakout, we can place our buying orders, and then the first imminent target can be the tail of this falling wedge that is approximately at 1.9 cents. That is approximately 2 cents, you can say. That is our minimum target as per this the Fibonacci sequence of this bullish bat that goes to 2.5 cents, a little bit more than that, and maximum goes up to 4.5 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well, and do support me at the Patreon so I would be able to provide you more ideas on the daily basis. Take care. Goodbye.